Suppose consider a ball is there here. That ball is moving from this place to this place. Okay, a ball is there and it is moving from one place to the another place. Ball is moving from one place to the another place. Okay, and from that place it is moving further, in the sense it is moving in this direction. Okay, now suppose consider the distance from this place to this place is 2 meters. 2 meter. Okay, and time have taken is suppose consider 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 2 meters distance it has covered from moving from left position to right position. Okay, 2 meters of distance it has covered, and how much time it has taken? 10 seconds of time it has taken to move from left side to the right side. Okay, now the same ball which is there, that ball is moving downwards. The same ball is moving downwards, and it has taken almost around 2 meters, 10 seconds. 2 meters and 10 seconds. Now, like how much time it have taken for moving from one place to the another, the first position to second position. It has taken 2 meters of distance in 10 seconds. Okay, and from second to third, it has taken 2 meters of distance in 10 seconds. Okay, now velocity. The velocity is nothing but as a displacement per time. Velocity is nothing but as a displacement per time. Speed is distance per time. Yesterday I taught you speed is distance per time, whereas velocity is displacement per time. Understood, everyone? Displacement per time in the sense the shortest distance from starting position to ending position. Shortest distance from starting to ending. From starting to ending, you need to measure the distance. From starting to ending, you need to measure the distance, and you need to measure the time, how much it have taken the time from starting position to ending position. From starting position to ending position, how much time it have taken. You need to measure the time, as well as you need to measure the distance. Then you will be getting the velocity. So velocity equal to displacement per time. Remember this one. Velocity is displacement per time. Distance is speed is distance per time. Speed is distance per time, whereas velocity is displacement per time. Understood, everyone? Velocity is displacement per time. Remember, okay, velocity is nothing but as a displacement per time, right? Speed is distance per time, velocity is displacement per time. Displacement per time in the sense you need to measure the distance from starting first position to the last position. You need to measure the distance with the help of a tape. You can measure with the help of a tape. You can measure. Otherwise, with the help of a Pythagoras theorem, you can measure the distance. With the help of a Pythagoras theorem, you can measure the distance. Understood, everyone? Time also you can do the time also with the help of a Pythagoras theorem you can measure. Understood? So velocity is nothing but as a displacement per time. Velocity is displacement per time. Understood, everyone? Okay, then now you will be having like just a second. Huh. I'll be explaining you now uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. What do you mean by uniform velocity? Uniform velocity, you have already learned about uniform motion. You have already learned about uniform motion. What is uniform motion? Uniform motion is nothing but as a uniform motion is nothing but as a equal distance in equal interval of time, right? Uniform motion is nothing but as a equal distance in equal interval of time, right? In the same manner we'll be having a uniform velocity. We'll be having a uniform velocity, like distance, like definition will be same, but there is one single difference. There is a single difference, like when a body moves, when a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time in a specified direction, in a specified direction should come for uniform velocity. Understood everyone? Equal distance, equal interval of time. Understood? Equal distance in equal interval of time, but specified direction should be there. Specified direction in the sense east direction, west direction, north direction, south direction, east west direction, north south direction, like that. Okay, specified direction should be there, then only it will be uniform velocity. Otherwise it will be only uniform motion. Understood? If there is no direction, then it is called as a uniform motion. If there is a particular direction, then only it will be called as a uniform velocity. So uniform velocity definition is like uniform velocity equal to equal distance in equal interval of time in particular direction. So definition will be like this: when a body cover equal distance in equal interval of time, when a body cover equal distance in equal interval of time in a specified direction, it is said to be a uniform motion. The body is said to be a the body is said to be a uniform velocity. Okay, the body is said to be a uniform velocity. Remember this one. The body is said to be a uniform velocity when it has equal distance in equal interval of time in specified direction. Specified direction in the or else particular direction. In particular direction, velocity is there. Understood everyone? Uniform velocity. Okay, uniform velocity in particular direction. UNI, uniform velocity. Okay, uniform velocity equal to equal distance equal distance equal interval of time. Okay, equal distance in equal interval of time in particular direction, and this is north, or just a second, east. Okay, uniform velocity is equal distance. Uniform velocity is equal to equal distance divided by equal interval of time in specified direction. Specified direction, in the sense it may be any direction. It may be any direction. It may be north, it may be south, it may be west, it may be east. Understood everyone? Okay, run. And the like unit of velocity. Unit of velocity is just a second. Velocity, unit of velocity will be meter per second. Unit of velocity will be meter per second. Same as the speed. Okay, speed unit of speed is meter per second. In the same manner, unit of velocity will be meter per second. Unit of uniform velocity will also be meter per second. Understood everyone? Okay, done. Now I will be explaining you about variable velocity. Okay, variable velocity in the sense, just a second. Variable velocity in the sense, just a second, eraser. Now you can see a body is moving from one place to the another place. A body is moving from first position to the second position, right? From moving from first position to the second position, it has covered a distance of 2 meters. Okay, and how much time it has taken? It has taken a time of 10 seconds. Okay, from first position to the second position. Now from second position to the third position, from second position to the third position, it has taken a distance of 3 meters. It has taken a distance of 3 meters. And how much time it have taken? It have taken a time of 10 seconds. Understood? So distance is changing. Distance is changing, whereas time is same. Distance is changing, whereas time is the same. So what we can tell is like variable velocity. Variable velocity equal to unequal distance or else unequal display. You can write the displacement also, but displacement not necessary. You need to write particular direction there. Okay, unequal distance per equal interval of time in specified direction. It may be north, it may be south, it may be east, okay, it may be west. Okay, variable velocity is unequal distance in equal interval of time in specified direction. Then it is called as a variable velocity. And you know, velocity is a vector quantity. Remember this one, velocity is a vector quantity because it has displacement. Okay, displacement has particular direction. That's the reason velocity also have particular direction. So velocity is a vector quantity. It is not a scalar quantity. Velocity is a vector quantity. Remember this one. Okay. Understood everyone? Understood everyone about velocity, uniform velocity, variable velocity? Okay. Done. Now I will be explaining you about average velocity. Just a second. Average velocity. 4 meters, 10 seconds. Okay, this one is fourth position. Now you can see from first position to the second position, it has covered a distance of 2 meters and 10 seconds. From second position to third position, it has covered a distance of 3 meters and 10 seconds. And from third position to fourth position, it has covered a distance of 4 meters in 10 seconds. Now, average velocity is nothing but as a average velocity is nothing but a total distance in total interval of time. Total distance per total interval of time in particular direction. You should not you know you should not neglect the direction. If you neglect the direction, you'll lose you will lose velocity there. Understood? If you neglect the direction, you will lose the velocity there. You'll be getting motion there. Understood? You'll be getting average speed there. Understood everyone? So average velocity equal to total distance covered by total time taken in particular direction. Okay, in particular direction, it may be north, it may be south, it may be east, it may be west. Okay, direction should be there for velocity. If you miss the direction, then it will become speed. Okay, if you miss the direction, if you it will become speed. If you include the direction, then it will become velocity. Okay, if you include the direction, then it will become velocity. If you neglect the direction, then it will become a speed. Okay, remember, only direction is the difference between speed and velocity. Understood, everyone? There are many difference, but main importance is direction. Understood. So average velocity is total distance covered by total time in particular direction. Total distance covered in total time taken in particular direction. Understood, everyone? Okay, right? Particular direction should be there. Almost around 45 students are there. I think all 45 students have understood about speed and velocity. Speed in the sense there will be no direction. Velocity in the sense direction should be there. Okay. Direction should be there. You can ask a question like, sir, velocity is displacement, right, sir? Then why can't we use displacement here, uh, like total displacement covered by total time taken? Total displacement, we should not use displacement. Total displacement will not be coming there. Okay, if total displacement will not come, only displacement will come. Understood? Only displacement will come. That is the reason we will be using total distance covered. Total distance covered in particular direction. Total distance covered in particular direction. Direction indicates the displacement only, right? Direction indicates displacement only. Okay, done. I think everyone understood. Right? Now we will be doing numericals. We will be doing numericals. I think how much time is left out? Almost around 15 minutes are left out. So we'll do one or two numericals. We'll do one or two numericals today. Okay. Now, first question. First one. Mhm. A body covers 20 meters in first second, 25 meters in second, and 45 meters in second, third second. What is the average speed of the body? Huh. A body covers 20 meter in first second. In first second, it has covered how much distance? 20 meters. In second, it has covered how much distance? 25 meter. In third second, it has covered how much distance? 45 meter. So we need to find out average speed of the body. We need to find out average speed of the body. Yes, yes, yes. Arya Dilip Rathod, yes. You need to write it in that notes only. Teacher's notes. Okay, you need to write it in teacher's notes. Whatever notes I'm giving you, in that one only you need to write this one. So who will tell the answer? Average speed. Who will tell the answer? 45 students are there. Who will tell the answer? Let us see. Who will answer first? A body covers 20 meters in first second, 25 meters in second, and 45 meters in third second. What is the average speed? You should not check online. Okay, you should use your own talent, and then you need to solve it. Yes, yes, you are right, Gayatri. Where are the units? Shreya, units should be there. No, Shreya, you are wrong. Shreya, just a second. Shreya Uday Patel, you are wrong. Shreya Sneha Swamy, no, you are wrong. Shreya Maitre. More units. Unit of unit of speed is not a meter. Okay. Arya, you are wrong. Disha, units should. Where are the units? Amulya, you are wrong. I think all are getting this. Kilometer? No, 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 no. In the question, you can see there is no kilometer. In the question, there is no kilometer. In the question, a meter is mentioned there. Nandita, where are the units? Units should be there. Anjali, it's not a meter second. It's not meter second. It's meter per second. Your answer is correct, but it's meter per second. Disha, you are right. Yes, yes, yes. Priya, you are correct. Yes, Shreya Uday Rathore. Yes, it is wrong. You are wrong. Anjali, you are correct. Supriya, you should not use kilometer. See in the question there, is there any kilometer mentioned there? 20 meter in first second, 25 meter in second, 45 meter in third second. Meters is available. You should not use kilometer there. Bhavani, you are wrong. Anushka, you are wrong. Neha Swami, you are wrong. Arya Dilip Rathod, you are wrong. Nandita, units, you are missing units. Amulya, you are wrong. Okay. You all are getting confused. Okay. I'll do it, no problem. Okay. Hmm. So, solution, given data, what he have given, just a second. Uh, distance, distance. This one is first distance. First distance is equal to how much? 20 meter. Okay. Second distance is second distance is 25 meters. Right. Third distance. Third distance is equal to how much? 45 meter. Okay. And what he have given time. Time. Okay. Now, in first distance, time is 1 second. Okay. In second distance, time is 1 second. In third distance, time is 1 second only. Okay. You can see the question. The body covers 20 meter in first second. First second in the sense it has taken 1 second only. Right. 25 meter in second second. Second second in the sense it has taken 1 second only. Understood? And 45 meter in third second. Third second in the sense it is 1 second only. In the sense 1 second, in 1 second it has covered 20 meter. In 1 second it has covered 25 meter. In 1 second it has covered 45 meter. Understood everyone? In 1 second it has covered 20 meter. In 1 second it has covered 25 meter. In 1 second it has covered 45 meters. So time he have given 1 second. First second is equal to 1 second. Understood? Second is equal to 1 second, right? Third second also it has covered how much time it has taken, how much time? 1 second only. Understood, right? I think everyone understood. Now now average speed. Average speed is equal to total total distance total distance just a second, students. Total distance by total time taken. Okay, total distance by total time taken. I think you can't see this total time taken. Total distance by total time taken. Okay, average speed is equal to total distance by total time taken. Now if you want you can take a screenshot. If you want you can take a screenshot. We'll proceed for next next paper. In the sense, next paper I'll explain you. I'll erase this one. Okay, I need to erase this one, otherwise I'll do one thing. Just a second. Equal to symbol I'll put here. Now what is the total distance? 20 meter plus 25 meter plus 45 meters. How much it will be? 20. How much it will be if we add all these three distance? How much will be getting? 20 plus 25 it is 45. Okay, 20 plus 25 it is 45. 45 plus 45 it is 90 meter. Okay, so here we need to put 90. Okay, total distance is 90. Total time, how much time? Total time, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 3 seconds, right? 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. If we add all the three, then we'll be getting 3 seconds. 3 here. Okay, so if we cut this one, 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 threes are 9, and 3 will be coming here, so it will be equal to 30 meter per second. Meter per second, units are most important. Okay, meter per second should come. Okay, why meter per second will come? Because distance, unit of distance is meter, unit of time is second. That is the reason we'll be keeping that 30 meter per second. Understood? 30 meter per second. Okay, average speed is equal to how much? 30 meter per second. Average speed is equal to 30 meter per second for first numerical. Understood everyone? I think everyone understood about this one.